The Bagotte Robot Vacuum BG800 is equipped with a self-emptying station that allows for hands-free cleaning for up to 60 days, making it an ideal choice for those looking to reduce the frequency of manual maintenance. Utilizing advanced LiDAR navigation, this robotic vacuum can precisely map your home in 360 degrees, ensuring it covers every corner efficiently and avoids obstacles seamlessly. With a powerful suction force of 5,000 pascals, the Bagotte BG800 effectively removes stubborn dirt and debris from various surfaces, including both carpets and hard floors. The device is versatile in its functionality, as it can sweep, vacuum, mop, and even self-clean, providing a comprehensive cleaning solution without the need for manual intervention. Through the user-friendly app, you can easily customize your cleaning preferences, set no-go zones, and adjust settings to tailor the cleaning experience to your specific needs. For peace of mind, the Bagotte Robot Vacuum BG800 comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support, ensuring long-term reliability and customer satisfaction.